Welcome everyone, and thank you for being here today. I'm excited to introduce you to our topic, Mastering Power Query, Transforming Data Management and Automation. On this first slide, you'll see the title and a subtitle that highlights how we can unlock efficiency, accuracy, and insight through seamless data integration and advanced automation. Over the course of this presentation, we'll explore how Power Query can help you streamline your data processes, improve data accuracy, and automate repetitive tasks. Let's get started. Power Query plays a crucial role in ensuring that consistent data rules are applied every time we work with our data. By doing so, it significantly reduces the chance of errors, which in turn makes our data processing much more reliable. This consistency is essential because it means we can trust the results we get from our data analysis. Instead of spending hours fixing mistakes or cleaning up data manually, Power Query allows us to focus on learning from the data itself. This shift enables smarter decision-making because we're working with accurate and dependable information. Additionally, Power Query transforms how we handle repetitive and often boring tasks. It automates these processes, saving us time and minimizing mistakes. Overall, it's a powerful tool that streamlines data management and helps us work more efficiently. Let's talk about some of the key benefits of using Power Query for automation. First, ensuring consistent data types across your dataset is crucial. When your data types are uniform, it reduces errors and makes your data much more reliable. This consistency is foundational for accurate analysis. Next, transforming data by splitting columns or rearranging them helps make your dataset more structured and easier to work with. Clear, organized data is essential for efficient processing and insights. Another important benefit is the ability to join tables in various ways. This flexibility allows you to create complex data relationships, giving you a more comprehensive view and deeper insights from your data. Removing unnecessary data early in your process is also a big time saver. It helps you focus only on the relevant information, making your workflow more efficient and less cluttered. Finally, combining data from multiple sources into a single, unified dataset streamlines your data integration. This consolidation provides a clearer picture and simplifies your analysis efforts. Overall, these benefits showcase how Power Query can transform your data management and automation, making your workflows faster, more reliable, and more insightful. Now, let's talk about data refresh automation and how mastering Power Query can really transform our data management and automation processes. On this slide, you'll see several key points that highlight how we can make data refreshes more secure, reliable, and efficient. First, it's crucial to use secure credential handling. Protecting our data during refresh processes ensures that sensitive information stays safe and that our data remains trustworthy. Security should always be a top priority. Next, automated refreshes save us a lot of time. Instead of manually updating data, scheduled refreshes enable us to get fresh data automatically, which supports better and more timely decision-making. This is all about working smarter, not harder. Speaking of scheduling, setting up regular refreshes helps prevent slowdowns during critical operations. If data updates happen smoothly and consistently, we maintain performance and ensure data availability when we need it most. Monitoring is also vital. By checking refresh history and setting up alerts for failures, we can quickly identify and solve issues. This proactive approach helps maintain data integrity and minimizes disruptions. For large datasets, incremental refresh is a game changer. Instead of reprocessing everything each time, it updates only new or changed data, which speeds things up and optimizes overall performance. Finally, keeping reports always up to date through automatic data refreshes means we avoid outdated or incorrect information. Staying current ensures our insights are accurate and reliable, supporting ongoing, informed decision-making. All these points tie back to our overall goal, making data management more efficient, secure, and reliable through Power Query automation. Now, let's take a look at how Power Query connects to multiple data sources, which is a key part of mastering data management and automation. Power Query's integration capabilities give us a trusted and comprehensive view of our data. This helps us eliminate data silos, making analysis and reporting much more efficient. One of the ways it does this is by breaking down those silos through integration with cloud services like Salesforce and Azure. This means we can access real-time data directly from these cloud platforms, keeping our insights fresh and accurate. Additionally, Power Query supports working with various file formats such as Excel, CSV, and PDF. This flexibility allows us to work effortlessly with different types of data files, which is essential in today's diverse data environment. And it doesn't stop there. Power Query also connects seamlessly to databases like SQL Server, Oracle, and MySQL. This enables us to access structured data directly from these databases for analysis and reporting, ensuring we have all the information we need at our fingertips. Altogether, these integration capabilities are vital for creating a streamlined, connected data environment that supports smarter decision-making. Now, let's look at how Power Query helps us improve data quality. One of the key benefits is that it allows us to ensure our data is consistent and accurate using built-in tools. This means we can set up rules to maintain data integrity every time we refresh or update our datasets. By doing this, we reduce the time spent fixing errors and gain more confidence in the reports we produce. Another important feature is automation. With automated cleaning steps, we can avoid manual mistakes that often happen when we try to clean data manually. This not only saves us time, but also makes our data cleaning processes more reliable. Power Query also offers data profiling tools, which help us uncover hidden issues that might not be obvious at first glance. By analyzing our data in depth, we can identify problems early on and address them proactively. Finally, it's crucial to be able to detect and fix common errors like missing values or incorrect data types. Power Query makes this straightforward, helping us correct issues quickly and ensuring our data is trustworthy. All these features work together to make our data more reliable, which ultimately leads to better insights and more confident decision-making. Let's talk about the user-friendly interface of Power Query, which really makes it accessible for all skill levels. One of the standout features is that Power Query allows users to ask questions in plain English. This means you don't need to be a coding expert to get the answers you need. Instead, you can simply phrase your questions naturally, and Power Query provides instant responses. This not only builds confidence, but also removes many barriers for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by complex tools. Another great aspect is the flexibility in how data is viewed. Users can easily switch between data preview and diagram views, which helps in understanding and analyzing data more effectively. Being able to see the data in different formats makes it easier to grasp the bigger picture and make informed decisions. The interface also offers clear feedback through the status bar and schema view. These tools give you real-time information about your data operations, giving you greater control and confidence as you work. Plus, the drag-and-drop feature is a game-changer. It eliminates the need for writing code, making data manipulation much simpler and more accessible for everyone. You can just drag elements around to shape your data exactly how you want it. Finally, Power Query's ribbon-style menu is very familiar, similar to what you see in Excel. This familiar design ensures that users can navigate easily, regardless of their experience level, which ties everything together in an intuitive way. Overall, this interface design really supports a smooth and confident user experience, no matter where you are in your data journey. Let's take a look at the resources available to support Power Query users. Community blogs, videos, and expert tips are invaluable for gaining insights and staying current with the latest updates. These resources also allow users to learn from real-world examples, making the learning process more practical and relatable. In addition, Microsoft provides interactive in-app guidance and product tour that make learning Power Query much more intuitive. These tools give users hands-on experience right within the application, which helps build confidence and improve proficiency more quickly. For those just starting out, ready-to-use Power by template files can be a real game changer. They simplify onboarding by allowing users to jump straight into analyzing data without worrying about complex setup processes. There are also excellent video courses available through LinkedIn Learning, tailored specifically for Power Query users. These are especially helpful for visual learners who benefit from seeing concepts in action, guided by experts. Finally, Microsoft Learn offers comprehensive online lessons that provide a structured approach to mastering Power Query. These step-by-step tutorials are designed to help users adopt the tool efficiently and with confidence. All these resources together create a strong support ecosystem that empowers users to get the most out of Power Query. Let's talk about optimizing Power Query performance. One of the first things I recommend is using the Performance Analyzer. This tool is incredibly helpful because it shows you exactly which steps are taking the most time, helping you identify bottlenecks and areas where you can improve efficiency. It's like having a performance coach for your queries. Another key strategy is to combine similar queries and disable autoload for queries you don't need immediately. This reduces clutter in your workspace and can significantly improve overall performance. Managing your queries smartly helps keep things streamlined and faster. Applying filters early in your query process is also a game changer. By filtering data at the beginning, you reduce the amount of data processed downstream, making everything faster and more manageable. Similarly, loading only the columns you actually need prevents unnecessary data from slowing things down. Leveraging native queries is another powerful tip. By allowing data sources to handle heavy lifting through query folding, you push processing to the source system itself. This results in faster refresh times and lower memory usage on your local machine. Finally, designing your data models efficiently is crucial. Using a star schema simplifies relationships and reduces complexity. Minimizing relationships avoids confusion and speeds up data processing, helping your entire workflow run more smoothly. All these techniques tie into the bigger picture of transforming data management and automation, making your Power Query work smarter, not harder. When working with large datasets, handling them efficiently is crucial to keep things running smoothly. One of the key strategies is to filter data early in the process. By doing this, you reduce the dataset size up front, which helps prevent slowdowns or errors during processing. It's about being proactive and trimming the fat before you dive deeper. Another important concept is breaking complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Think of it like tackling a big project. You don't want to do everything at once. Instead, splitting tasks makes processing smoother and improves overall performance, making your workflows more reliable. Leveraging cloud-based processing through Power by data flows is also a game changer. Using the cloud allows for scalable, efficient handling of large datasets without bogging down your local resources. It's about harnessing the power of the cloud to your advantage. Sometimes, dealing with difficult data pulls calls for staging areas. These are like temporary storage zones where you can simplify complex extractions before further processing. This approach makes handling tricky data much more manageable. And finally, for really heavy workloads, combining Power Query with tools like SQL can make a big difference. Integrating these tools helps optimize performance, especially when you're working with demanding data tasks. It's all about using the right mix of strategies to keep your data management efficient and effective. Let's take a moment to look at how Power Query is making a real difference across various industries. In the hospitality sector, for example, businesses are using Power Query-driven data insights to better understand their guests. This helps them enhance guest satisfaction, leading to improved service quality and ultimately, stronger customer loyalty. Moving to education, universities are leveraging Power Query to track student performance through dynamic academic dashboards. This gives educators and administrators clearer insights into educational outcomes and student progress, enabling more targeted support. At Heathrow Airport, Power Query is being used to manage passenger flow more efficiently. This results in smoother operations and a better experience for travelers, reducing wait times and congestion. In manufacturing, Renault is applying Power Query to improve the quality and performance of their vehicles. This leads to higher efficiency and better product outcomes, which is vital in a competitive automotive market. Finally, in the pharmaceutical industry, Pfizer is utilizing Power Query for real-time clinical trial monitoring. This accelerates drug development processes and boosts productivity, bringing potentially life-saving treatments to market faster. Overall, these examples highlight how mastering Power Query can transform data management and automation, delivering tangible benefits across diverse sectors. Faster decision-making with Power Query is all about empowering you to work smarter, not harder. When you collaborate with your team on shared and consistent data, you create a reliable foundation for everyone to work from, which really enhances teamwork and streamlines the decision process. Automating routine tasks with AI is a game changer. It frees up your time so you can focus on strategic initiatives that truly add value. Visualizations like dashboards and charts help you quickly spot trends and issues, making data much more accessible and actionable. Connecting to multiple sources ensures you have real-time updates, so you're always working with the latest information. And when it comes to preparing your data, Power Query allows you to clean and organize it rapidly, ensuring your numbers are accurate and trustworthy. All of these elements come together to accelerate your decision-making process, making your data work for you more efficiently. Let's wrap up with some key takeaways about Power Query. First, it offers strong training and support, which makes it easy for users to adopt quickly. This means you can start leveraging its capabilities confidently without feeling overwhelmed. The user-friendly interface is designed to accommodate all skill levels, so whether you're a beginner or more experienced, you'll find it easy to adapt and maximize its potential. Power Query also connects to a wide variety of data sources, giving you a trusted, unified view of your data. This integration simplifies analysis and helps improve your decision-making process. Additionally, with automatic refresh features, your data stays current and accurate without manual effort. This reliability is crucial for timely insights. Finally, Power Query automates repetitive tasks, saving you time and reducing errors. Overall, these features come together to make data management more efficient, accurate, and accessible. Exactly what we need to support smarter, faster business decisions.